Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Delphine and today I have something very exciting to unbox with you. So maybe you saw my video where I asked you guys to help me to choose my next handbag. If you haven't, I will put a link in there. And now is the reveal of the bag I actually picked. I'm very excited. I've just gotten this huge box. And I've only opened the thing in front because in the video it would have been a bit too complicated to do, and so I already did it, and also to check that there's indeed something inside, but I have not opened anything else, and I'm gonna do that now with you, and I can't wait. I hope it's as good as I think it's gonna be. So first, you're probably gonna guess, and if I show you more of the box, you can see DeMellier. So you already guess which one of the bags I picked, at least for the model and the brand. So it's DeMellier, and it's Midi Montréal from their range. So they have here written a bag alive for every item you purchase. We fund a set of life-saving vaccines and treatments aimed to save the life of a child in need. I had no idea, to be honest. It was not particularly advertised on their website, or I missed the information, which can be, I was so excited just to buy the bag, can be I missed the info, but I'm glad that this helps. Then there's this little card with this little thank you for watching DeMellier, empowering women. They're designed in London, aesthetically and sustainably made, which is nowadays very important, and I think most brands are tending toward this. And then exactly, they explain this A Bag Alive, and they collaborate with the SOS Children's Villages Association, and so they have funded over 350,000 vaccines and medical treatments. Nice, so good. I'm happy about that. Then inside is another bag. This time it's, I guess, the shopping bag you will get if you will shop it in a shop. I don't mind. I tend not to keep these kind of bags. I don't know what to do with them, really. I don't have the space for them. But if this is something you like and you like to keep them for, there's multiple possible reasons, then know that they come with such a bag. And then there's this little sealed pocket with all my bill and all the information, because yes, this video is obviously not sponsored, not affiliated, nothing at all. I just reached out to their website, typed the number of my little credit card, and here it came. So there is this nice thick ribbon. Let's get through it. So there's a little bow in front. Let's open all of that. As you can see, it's unopened. I don't think I would have been able to close it as nicely as they did. So, okay, and then inside is this little pouch, again with the name of the brand written. Guys, I'm quite excited. I cannot wait, I cannot wait. I don't know if I give you more information now or while I'm opening. I think while I'm opening, right? We want to see the bag, huh? Let's not wait longer. It smells good. I don't know if I'm the only weirdo out there that likes to smell packaging and new goods, but it's something I do. If you're out there too, just tell me in the comment that I'm not the only weirdo in this universe. And here it is. It looks beautiful. I'm very happy. So little dust bag, put it on the side. Yay! You see, I'm such a child. I'm really such a child. Every time I get something new, I get so excited about it. I'm like, yeah. I don't buy so often things, and when I do, I get crazy excited. Okay, so as you can see, it's a Midi Montréal in the off-white croc-effect color. So I followed most of your advices, guys. It was a bit tight between the Celine and the off-white. At the end, I chose to go for the off-white, and I think the Celine one, I will not take the risk of taking it in such a light color, and they have a lot of very beautiful darker colors, so I will wait and I will get it another time in the future in a darker color. And now I'm gonna enjoy this little baby first. So yeah, the hardware is all golden. You have all these little protections that I'm gonna peel off. This is also such a nice feeling. I like to peel off things like that. That's great. Oh, it sticks to my hand. So I ordered this bag. It came very fast. Took less than a week. It took 5 days to come. Original price is 565 euros. I had a coupon code because when you go in their website, if you just wait a bit at the beginning, then you have a little pop-up coming saying, hey, if you give us your email address, we will send you a code and then you can get 10% off your first order. Yes, please. So I did that, got the coupon code, put the coupon code, everything worked perfectly, no issue, nothing, and then I got 10% off the bag. So instead of paying 565 euros, I ended up paying 508 euros. So it's almost 60 euros saved, right? I mean, it's always this. So yeah, I'm very happy. I'm gonna open it. I don't know how to open it, to be honest. It's my first bag also from DeMellier. I mean, the leather looks very nice. There's also here DeMellier written in small. Smells good too. Oh God, I'm gonna drop it. So nothing special. Now I just have to figure out how to open it. So just watch with me painfully as I think I know. Here there's a little thing. I guess I have to somehow press it and then it opens like that. Okay. So it's you have to clip it. It's not. I would have thought with this big thing that there will be maybe some sort of sliding mechanism, but I guess it will be more maybe complicated with the leather. So now you have silk paper, more paper, even more paper. It's good, keeps the bag in shape. Then I have a strap, of course, it's the same. Then I can fix it here. I have these two little golden thing at the end to fix it. I have here one more little protection that I'm gonna take off. And I think, no, one more here. So many of these little protection things, which is good. I mean, there's no complaint here. First, I find it very enjoyable to remove them. And secondly, then it means my bag is well protected, and this I like. Okay, the inside is very simple. It's just one big pocket. Here there is one slightly, fabric pocket also. Here you have a pocket with a zip. And inside I have made in Spain. Okay, exterior 100% leather, smooth grain, small grain, thread texture, lizard effect, and croc-effect are 100% Cowhide leather. I don't know what this is for an animal, to be honest. And lining, or maybe it's fake leather? I'm not 100% sure. I'm sorry guys, I don't know what Cowhide leather is. I will Google it after this video, but if you also have some insight about it or inputs, then just please tell me, help me learn new things. Lining is 100% cotton, so nice. And we use ethically sourced leathers from tanneries with gold and silver certification awarded by the Leather Working Group. All of our cotton is Better Cotton Initiative certified. So it's not fake leather, it's real leather, from what I heard, because tanneries, I guess, normally, I mean, I don't know if this word is also used for the imitation leather, but yes. But it's ethical, and this is always something appreciated. Okay, then there's leather care instructions, high quality leather, and everything. This is, I think, the usual thing. And there's nothing else in this little pocket. So I'm closing it back. Inside here, I see it's written DeMellier again. It's just written there and there. And then I'm just checking, if there's anything on the leather. Okay, there was a tiny bit of glue, so I'm just peeling it off. I think it came when I removed the things. Let me see. Let me close. Okay, it's very interesting. Let me do it again. I open. Let me try to close it again. I think it's a mix. I think I don't know if there's not a slight magnetic thing. I don't know. I'm not very sure, but it's extremely smooth and actually easy to put it back. That's what I wanted to check now, because with this kind of mechanism, I'm like, if I have to push into my bag every time to close it. But no, it's actually, yeah, I mean, I can do it with one finger. And the bag does not move anything. So it's also thick, which is nice. I mean, yeah, I'm extremely happy. Thank you guys for all your help and all your opinion. I think this was the right choice. I'm gonna check the strap. Okay. It's probably gonna be too long for me. It's always too long for me. Again, I'm a petite, which is also why I went with a midi size, because I feel this is a size, and I compared it to some of my other bags, and it's a size where I should be able to put most of my everyday life things, especially since it's a big pocket inside. I'm gonna show you for comparison. I don't have much with me here, but I have this little playing toy for my son. I'm gonna put it inside, and you see it does not take up much space. So I for sure can put my wallet, my phone, my keys, my sunglasses, a book. I mean, I for sure can put all my daily essentials and a little plus, like, yeah, a book, a little pouch for my kid and so on, because it's one, I mean, maybe, I don't know if it looks that big on camera, but it's actually quite roomy inside. It's actually quite one pretty big pocket, so yeah, I'm pleased with that. I will update you if there is anything. I will write it, I will put you a comment in a few days or something like that. Okay, so one thing I'm not the biggest fan of, you see, I just put the strap, I put the bag up, because they are in the back, of course, then the bag is gonna tilt toward the front. So if you just take it like this with the strap, it looks a bit weird. But I think when you put it on yourself, let me put it like that to show you. Yeah. Because your body will basically push it back, right? So then you will not have the issue while you are wearing it. I'm not sure I will wear it much with a strap anyway. This is generally something with bags which have kind of delicate leather or light colored leather. When you wear with a strap, it's gonna rub and rub and rub against your hip or here, and then it's gonna slowly potentially damage it. I've I think mentioned it in the video where I did the review of my sac de jour from Yves Saint Laurent. This is exactly what happened to it. Luckily only on the strap, because it was a bit protruding, so it was protecting kind of the rest of the bag. But here, since there is nothing protruding, basically it will always rub here, and I could very well see after a while, especially if it's rubbing against jeans or things like that, that this will get damaged. So I'm probably still gonna wear it crossbody sometimes, because or on the shoulder, once I will have appropriately adjusted this. But this being said, I will also probably wear it by hand. It's not big enough that I could really go very far. It's even smaller than my Birkin, for example. My Birkin I can go a bit further, this I can't. So it's not meant to be worn on the arm. But it's also just, I mean, it's just so pretty like that, right? I mean, this is how it's the prettiest. And the thing is, on our stroller, on the pram, I have like a little hook on the side where I can simply hook my handbags by the handle. So I guess I'm gonna hook it there, and then when I will need it, I will hook it away, and I won't wear it so much with a strap. And yeah, and that's about it. I am so pleased with this bag. It looks, I don't know, I think it looks good on the camera, but it looks even more beautiful in real life. I cannot wait to use this bag, to carry it everywhere, to put all my belongings in it, and yeah. And I will maybe in a few months from now, or maybe in a year or something like that, depending on how much I actually wear it, I will probably make some update video, and I will tell you guys how has been my a bit more long-term experience with the bag, how much I have actually used it, the wear and tear and all of this. So far I can only say it looks really good, and it's beautiful, and it looks like very good quality, and I'm extremely happy with my purchase. And I mean, 500 euro, it's a good price. I think it's a very good price. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I will put here another video in case you have not seen it yet, and if you like this video and you want to watch more, then you can of course subscribe to my channel by clicking there, and then I will see you in another one. Bye guys.